Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to find center number of CBSE school step by step. Start by locating your school's admit card or center allotment letter in the office files. Then check the top right or header for a 6-digit code labeled center number. If you only have school records, open the CBSE correspondence or email from the board and scan for the same code. When you have the admit card, examine the header and information blocks carefully to find the center number near the roll number or center address. Take a clear photo or scan for records and double-check the digits to avoid mistakes. If anything is unclear, ask the school to confirm and provide a digital copy so you have a reliable reference for registration or communication with the board. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so we can make more clear, useful exam tips for you. Quick recommendation: check out the comfy socks I mentioned because standing exam invigilation is no joke. On another note, they come with a lifetime warranty and feel great. Look in the description for the product link and other deals. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Search the school's official files, allotment letters, and any CBSE correspondence for the center number, which schools keep for administration. Check emails from the board or the school principal's office for the same 6-digit code and save those messages. Maintain a secure digital backup like a scanned PDF so you can quickly retrieve the center number for applications, queries, or cross-checks with exam authorities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.